So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the active status. That means people won't be able to see you online. Like if you're online for 8 minutes, 15 minutes, or you're online right now. And so you're going to be able to hide this. So in case you don't want people to see that you're online and spy on you or something. First, give like and subscribe to this video if you find this helpful, and follow this step-by-step guide, as this is for Facebook Messenger. And let's get right in. So on the bottom right of the screen, if you open Facebook Messenger, it's in the menu right here. So you tap menu, and under here you're gonna be able to see actually this is the screen that you're gonna see, and you want to tap on settings under your username, and under here you're gonna see active status. And active status means that if you're active on Facebook or Messenger, people who are your friends, they're gonna be able to see you online, and how long you've been online, like away, actually last time you've been online, how many minutes. And so you can disable this by tapping this, and it's gonna pop up a pause active status questionnaire. So it's gonna ask you when you want to activate the active status again. And once you pause your active status, that means disable the active status, people, you're not gonna be able to see others active as well. So I'm gonna select until I change it. I'm gonna select pause, and now it's paused. So that means you've successfully hide yourself from showing up on your friends Facebook Messenger or Facebook online. So they're not gonna be able to see you active. And that's how you disable the active status on Facebook Messenger and Facebook as well. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thank you guys for watching.